Good morning, FOA squad. I'm Anthony and welcome to our channel, Life with Anthony. I hope you guys are doing well out there. Happy Friday to you guys. This morning, guys, I'm going to give you a realistic look at what my mornings look like here at the truck camper. It's, I think about a little after 8 in the morning. This is how I go to sleep. I have a hat on, I have a hoodie on, and my clothes on. You know, this is not a situation where you can take off all your clothes and put on your pajamas and all that good stuff. No, no, no. This is truck camper life. And it's about, that's my mommy there. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's about 8:07. So let's get our morning started. As you guys can see, I don't have my teeth in my mouth yet because I do not sleep with my teeth in my mouth. Let's get our morning started and get our day going. All right, so when I wake up in the morning, my bed looks a hot mess like it does now. And I usually start with, see, I can almost stand up in here, which makes it a little bit comfortable to move around and do things. So I usually start with my bed. And I have my Asian blanket on here. Swing y'all guys around just a little bit. I have my Asian blanket on here and I usually just sleep. Uh-oh, this is my trash bag I got hanging up. Let me get that out the way. Oh. I usually take my earplugs out first. All right. I usually just do my bed. Because I sleep on top of this one, it's not a lot to make up. So the only thing I really have to do is the wool blanket right here. So we'll do the Asian blanket. Get that all straightened up first. And then I'll go ahead and stand right here and get this wool blanket done. Throw that part up on there. And then this part like that. See how nice and neat that is? Pick it up. Put it down at the end. Then I'll go ahead and take my pillow and put it there. Now the next thing I do is I take my covers off the windows here. So I take these off. And then I take the one that's behind you guys off from my bigger window. I take these off, I put part of it underneath this wool blanket, and then I take my little small pillow here, put that in the middle, and then if I got anything on this chair right here, I take that off the chair and go ahead and put it on top of the bed. So basically now I can sit in the chair. Now, after I do all of that, which only take, as you guys saw, about 2 or 3 minutes, I can now take down my window shades and see what the weather is doing. I can already tell now that it's raining because I can hear it. So I'll take my curtains down here and I'll roll them up. And I store those. Ain't no fancy editing in here. And I push them down there. Because I have my bed pulled out a little bit, it's a little gap right there. So I can easily store that. Out of sight, out of mind. And now I can go ahead and roll my Now, if I want to take this one down, I can take this one down as well. But I'm going to go ahead and leave that one up. And now I can go ahead and roll down my windows and see what's going on out here. Both my windows. See what kind of weather we got. Oh Lord, there's somebody parked right next to me. I didn't even know that. All right. And then from there I can go ahead and sit down and start brushing my teeth and everything. But it is raining out there. And I'm looking somebody right in the face because I am on the ParkNRide. So this is my little goodie bag. This is my little goodie bag right here with all my little things in them that I use to brush my teeth and all of that good stuff. Like here is my toothbrush and toothpaste and some lotion. But we're not gonna go through this bag. We're just gonna get what I need right now. And here's my mouthwash. And I don't even see where my, okay. I don't know how this got out of the pack. This is my denture holder cream. And that's usually in the same bag as my toothpaste and toothbrush. All right. So that's it right there for the morning part of it, as far as getting my bed straightened up, taking my window covers down, and then taking this down, and then basically seeing how my day is. It is raining outside today, and it is expected to be raining all day. So what's going on today? All right, today, someone said I need to try to practice looking in the camera. That's a hard habit to break. It is. It's a hard habit to try to look. I'm so used to looking straight ahead and at myself, and now you want me to look in a specific corner. But we'll see what happens and give it some time. I said that last time, and give it some time. But okay. I'm also happy to say this morning that my cold has gotten a lot better. I felt a lot better. I was able to sleep last night. I went to the store and got some Dayquil, and I've been taking Dayquil. This car is like park, ride around, park, ride around. Now they backing up. They are very indecisive this morning. I've been chugging this down like every 6 to 8 hours. I bought it yesterday morning, and I've been taking my cough drops, and that's how I usually fight a little mini cold. Some cough syrup and some cough drops. And in about a day or so, it'll help out. My friend Adolfo told me to get some Claritin B for allergies. I don't know if I have allergies or not. Maybe I do and just didn't recognize it or whatever. But all I know is when I come from a climate change from Florida to Baltimore, this is what happens. So anywho, I'm gonna go ahead and brush my teeth and come back with you guys and let you guys know what is going on and what I'm gonna get into today. All right, guys, I am finished brushing my teeth as well as mouthwash, so let's get into what my day is looking like. So I'm going to head to McDonald's and get some breakfast, and excuse me. And then I am going to head on over to my niece's place and pick up my 2 packages. I'm really excited about one of the packages because it's a kitchen item, and I'm going to be cooking something here in the truck camper using that cooking item. So pretty excited about that. And the other one is, I have it here. I have one in the trailer, but I wanted to have one here in the truck camper. I mentioned to you guys a little ways back that I want to have everything in the truck camper so that when I travel with the truck camper, I don't have to take a bunch of stuff out of the trailer and put into the truck camper. So I'm excited to have that, and it's definitely something that I'm going to be using all the time. So I'll show you guys those once I pick them up at my niece's place. But for now, let's head on to Mickey D's and get some breakfast and get our day going. Now, I don't want to be out on the road when work traffic is out. So I plan on leaving and starting my way up to Connecticut around 10 o'clock in the morning, 10 o'clock. And hopefully all of the work traffic will have went by then. Not only am I excited to go and visit Lamont, I am also excited to go back to this Jamaican restaurant. Oh my gosh. I kid you not, if I'm lying, I'm flying, and I can't fly. This was the best bought curry chicken that I've ever had. The best. When I was there in Connecticut in June or July of last year, I ate there at least 3 times. So I'm excited to go back and get some more of that curry chicken. But enough yapping this morning. I hope you guys got a good idea of what my mornings look like. And that is a typical morning for me when I wake up. All right, so let's head on to Mickey D's and get this day going. Okie dokie, let's head to Mickey D's. I changed my mind. I'm going to go and pick up my Amazon packages from my niece's place when I get back from Connecticut, because I'm going to still stay in Baltimore for a few days after I get back. Because I am right here by the highway. Once I grab this Mickey D's and put my GPS directions in, I can hop on the highway. It is 9 o'clock right now. So, and I'm about to sneeze. It's 9 o'clock. So hopefully the traffic is not that bad. So let's do that instead of going all the way into town, then finding my way back to the Beltway, when the Beltway is like right there. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do that. I don't really need any of those 2 packages right now. It's not a sense of urgency. So we'll do that later. Will you be using your mobile app today? No, because y'all did me wrong with that. When I was keeping up with that, I had 33,000 points or whatever. And then y'all did something with the app, my app. And then when I fixed that, my 33 points were gone. So no, I will never be using my mobile app. How about that? All right, I'm up next. Sometimes I think people went to McDonald's as going to McDonald's for the first time. I kind of always know what I want when I'm going there. Oh Lord, this woman is going grocery shopping at the Mickey D's. She must be buying some breakfast for her co-workers or something. Woo. One thing about this McDonald's though, they are very efficient with getting orders together. I'm never in line a long time.
Hi, are you using a mobile app today?
Not today.
Can I help you?
Can I get a medium Diet Coke and a sausage muffin?
Medium diet and a sausage egg muffin?
No egg.
Okay. Anything else?
That'll be all, thank you.
Second window, please. Thank you.
I don't know why I always thank them. I always thank them. Thank you. All right, I'm gonna grab this, pay for this and grab this, and then I'm gonna pull to the side and put my directions in my GPS, and my eyes are running. I got my Dayquil in hand. I'm gonna take a hit of that. Take a little swig of that. Okay, let me turn this heat off. The chill is off. The chill is gone. All right. Oh, are we paying right here? Okay, no. Because usually they go up to the second window. All right, I'll see you guys on the road. All right, I changed my mind. I'm not driving 5.5 hours in this weather. Oh, excuse me. This weather is terrible. So I am going back to the ParkNRide, and later on I'm just gonna go and pick up my packages from my niece, and that's gonna do it. This weather is terrible. Look at this weather. Ain't no way I'm gonna purposely drive 5.5 hours in this mess. Nope. All right, I'm gonna head over to the mall and look at some eyeglasses. I have been thinking about changing up my frames for a little bit now. I'm gonna keep the lens, but I think I'm in a mood for some different frames. So they have a lens crafter. That's where I got my glasses from. And lens crafters will get your glasses ready for you in an hour. I may even take another eye exam because it's been a minute since I've taken an eye exam. So we'll see how it works out. But for now, I left my little home on wheels right there. See my little home on wheels right there. And I'm walking over to the mall once again. So I'll see you guys at LensCraft and we can look at some frames together. There's the sign right there. Lens crafters. Oh, there's a lot of people in here. Get me some new frames. I want some frames that are more sturdy than the ones I have now. Just gonna try a couple of them on. Let's see. All right, I can't get any glasses today because it takes like 7 to 10 business days for them to come in. So while I'm here, I'm just gonna look at some, and if I choose some, I'll go to another lens crafter in Florida, and I'll have that brand name, and hopefully if it's a number associated with it, I can give to someone down in Florida. But for now, since I'm here, I might as well just go ahead and check out some and try on some, see what I look in some. So let me take a look. Man, I wish that it was like sooner, because 7 to 10 business days is around the 14th or 15th, and of course I need to be back in Florida to get my taxes stuff done by then, so it's not gonna work. All right, what do you guys think about these? These are Dolce & Gabbana. They have like a really, really thick frame, which I like. Let me take my hat off so I can get a good look. Yeah, these, let me look in the mirror. I like these. I like these, and the reason why I like these is they don't have the two little things right here that sits on top of your nose. They just slide right there like that. So yeah, I like these. All right, let's move on. Okay, these are Prada. Again, they have the thick frames. They have to slide on your nose without those two things that sits on top of your nose. I'm definitely going for a much thicker frame. What y'all think about these? They pretty much look like the same ones I just now had on. Let me look in the mirror. Is it me or they make my nose look bigger? All right, I don't know about these. Let's keep looking. Okay, these are also Prada, and they also have a thick frame, but it's like white outlined, but they are smaller. The frames are smaller than the previous two that I tried on. My nose look like it grew. Is that possible? Can your nose grow? I kind of like these though. These look nice. Okay, these are Oakley. I don't even think I ever heard of Oakley before, but they do have, again, a thick handle. They slide on your nose. But these are too big because there's too much space up here with them, so I don't like these. I'm definitely gonna get something with this type of frame and they're thicker. I think I like these best. These are the Prada ones with the white trim. Yeah, I like these. Alrighty. What y'all think? Let me know in the comments which pair you guys think looks the best. I swear my nose looks super big right here. Oh Lord. Alright, I am on my way back to the truck camper. I am excited about my lunch. I'm going to fix some noodles and then I'm gonna put some salmon in there as well. So, whew, don't that sound delicious? Because it sounds good to me. So, let's head on back here to this trailer. And it's turning out to be a pretty good day. Making me think that I should have kept on going up to Connecticut. Anywho, you can't predict the weather. You don't know how long something is gonna last. So, it is what it is, you know? So let's get back and get some noodles and salmon. All right, guys, I moved so that I can leave my door open and not many people can see what I'm doing up in here. All right, so I have my piece of salmon right here. I'm gonna go ahead and season it. First, I'm gonna go ahead and get my noodles going. So I'll put that there. So we'll get the noodles going. I decided instead of buying bottled water, I bought like 4 of these. And so far I like having these because this is drinkable water. I can fill up one of my water bottles and put it in my refrigerator for some cold water. But I like having this. I generally will eyeball it because I don't have my measuring cup with me. You're supposed to put like 2 cups of water in there for this. But let's go ahead and get this going. All right, it's not gonna take long to get that start the boiling up. Now let's get this. Oh, why is you around there? What's going on here? Are you slipping and sliding? Must be slipping and sliding. Then we're gonna drop that salmon up in there. Woo-hoo-hoo. Let's put a little bit of seasoning on this salmon, not too much. Just my usual suspects. Oh Lord, the pepper is, where's the pepper? Okay, the pepper is inside the truck and I'm not going to get it. I'm not going to get it. We're just gonna do a little garlic and onion powder. Okay, I'm going to get my pepper. I am going and get my pepper. I need my pepper. I'm addicted to my pepper. I'm addicted to my pepper. Let me take my keys because it won't open without my keys. Okay, guess what? I don't even see the pepper. I don't even know where the pepper is. Where in the world is that pepper? Ooh, I'm squinching up the rug. Anthony, sit your butt down. I guess that's gonna be it then. I don't even see the pepper. The pepper must be in here somewhere. Here, pepper, pepper. Here, pepper, pepper. All right, I'm gonna cut this up. Into 2 slices. 2 pieces. Somebody got like a Mustang type of thing. Cause I hear, it ain't even going away, all that noise. So now my hands are slipping and sliding. I love these noodles, boy. They're so good. Uh-oh, here come a sneeze. Bless me, bless me, bless me. Bless me, bless me, bless me. Sing it with me, y'all. Bless me, bless me, bless me. One more time for the choir. Bless me, bless me, bless me. All right, I got my fork. I'm eating it right out the pot. Because this kind of lifestyle, I don't need a bowl. I don't need a bowl. If it's a 1-pot meal, it's going up in here like this. I don't think I have anything to drink in here. Oh, yes, I did. Oh, excuse me. All righty. Let's get this water boiling. All right, it's not to the point yet. I'll come back with you guys in a little bit. In a little bit. In a little bit. A little teeny tiny bit. All right, guys, take a look at the noodles. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put all the seasoning packets. Let me turn this down a lot. Put the seasoning packets in here. Get on up in there. We got 3 packs. 3 packs. Okay, let's put that back up because it just completely stopped boiling. And here comes some Eyeglass Park right there. Oh Lord. I knew I should have just taken that spot. I should have just taken that spot. You better not be coming sneaking up on me like the other guy did. Creeping up on me. But you know what's so crazy? Since I've been here, and this is not a new revelation for me or anything, I knew that this type of thing happens here on this ParkNRide? People just come to this ParkNRide and sit. I don't think they're just sitting though. I think it's something going on. I ain't gonna get into it. Just use your imagination. I ain't gonna get into it. But right now I'm gonna go ahead and drop this Salmon in here. We're gonna drop that Salmon in there. And we're gonna go ahead and cover that up. That Salmon is going to get done. And everything. Alrighty. He don't know if he come over here, he gonna be on the film. He gonna be on YouTube. Yes, he is going on YouTube. So y'all know if anything happened to me, okay, first of all, the video won't even be posted. Oh Lord. All right, I'll see you guys after I get all that out of here and yada yada yada. Alrighty. Okay, I don't know what he doing, but he doing some freaky stuff over there. This is a cruising spot, y'all, by the way. He done went in the back seat of his car, took his pants off. Oh, the show is about to begin. The show is about to begin. I should have just made some popcorn instead of this salmon. Okay, I think he putting on some shorts. I am so nosy. Okay, if you're gonna park beside me, you see my windows open, you see my hatches up, then hey. Okay, like I said, this is a cruising spot. He's preparing himself. Somebody else is gonna come here. Watch. Somebody else gonna come here and park right beside him and then get in their car with him, and then they gonna get it on. And I'll be right here watching. I will be right here watching. I knew this was a cruising spot, like, oh my gosh, probably back when I was staying here and when I was living in Baltimore. I knew that. Because I seen some stuff on this ParkNRide. Okay, let me tell y'all around. I look like I'm there. Because I seen some stuff here on this ParkNRide. Oh my heavens. I'm not even gonna tell y'all where he. And don't call me nosy. Don't call me nosy because I was here first. Don't call me nosy because I was here first, y'all. I was here first, and he chose to park beside me and do his little stuff. Yep. Do not call me nosy. All right, guys. This is the final product here. Some noodles with some steamed salmon. I'm gonna go ahead and break that salmon up a little bit. This is what the salmon looks like. So another car, minivan parked on this side of me. I came over to the cruising area. I'm gonna break this up. And I'm gonna eat it. Alrighty, let's get down on it. I don't know. I'm more interested in seeing what's going over there than this meal here. This might be the best way to fix salmon. It's flaky. It just came apart so easily. It tastes good with these noodles. And I know I'm looking like I'm looking all crazy and stuff because somebody told me, Anthony, when you gonna start looking at the camera instead of yourself? It's over there. How's that? You don't need to see the food no more. This is really tasty. I knew the noodles was gonna come out good because you know I fix these noodles all the time. But with the addition of this salmon, okay, I'm looking there. The camera is there. This is so good. So good. It's so good. That one is leaving. That one is still got his legs up in the air. I'm not lying. I see both. Oh Lord. He came right here. Oh, wow. Okay, this is getting really interesting now. Okay, the one with his legs up in the air, he popped up. This is getting really interesting. Okay, this is like the matinee show. Oh, the one with his legs up in the air. Oh Lord, he about to get in the back of his minivan. It's about to go down, y'all. It's about to go down. I know what they're doing, but I can't tell y'all. I can't tell y'all. This is a show. And they like, the minivan is like right next to me. Right next to me. I don't know why I'm looking over there. I gotta practice. I think I'm, okay. Now I really want to practice. I think I spoiled their groove. They didn't anticipate me being here. Lord, I'm getting all hot and bothered from what I'm watching and hot and bothered from what I'm eating. Lord. Yeah, I think they got a little, see, I look like I'm looking over there. I think they got a little scared because I was, oh, wait a minute. He repositioning. I thought he was leaving. He repositioning his minivan. Dude, just go in his minivan. That's what minivans are for. Just go ahead and do y'all thing. This is interesting, boy. I ain't going nowhere. It's better than the matinee show. And I ain't had to pay nothing. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and finish up eating this and finish watching my show, Unexpected Show. But I'm gonna go ahead and end this video right now. But as always, thanks for taking a few minutes out of your day to watch my videos. I appreciate you guys, you know that. And I'll see you guys the next time.